our vision for flattening the curve includes two goals. Firstly, we want to motivate people to follow the social distancing standards. And secondly, we want to have people feel empowered in what they can do to combat the pandemic with the knowledge they have. But two challenges exist right now. One of them is the prevalent misinformation about COVID-19, and the other is people's lack of understanding on how virus behaviors can lead to different development patterns of the virus. So our solution to this problem is that we're going to build an educational website with a data visualization program on it, so we can make the mathematical science behind COVID-19 spreading pattern accessible to people without science background, and users can better understand how their behaviors can affect the pandemic's development. And on the website, we're also going to share a series of personal stories of what actions other people have taken to help relieve the pandemic. So users can relate their own personal situation to these stories and be inspired on what they can do themselves at this moment, according to their personal context. So in short, with our website, we're going to inspire people to make informed decisions and take empowered actions to help flatten the curve.
Seary provides a framework for program strategies which influence health behavior change. We chose the health belief model to inform our program design. This model begins by addressing perceived health threat and benefits to action. To address the COVID-19 health threat and the benefits of social distancing, this program utilizes interactive graphs and zip code data. For the health belief model's cue to action construct, this program utilizes vignettes and embedded links to websites which provide helpful how-to information. Another construct in this behavior change model addresses barriers to action. The how-to links address skill and knowledge barriers, and the comment area is an opportunity for reassurance. The final construct of the health belief model is self-efficacy. Strategies such as role modeling and reinforcement promote self-efficacy. This program's vignettes provide modeling, and the ability to post successful social distancing efforts provides support and reinforcement.
Here's our solution for the ACS Flatten the Curve Hackathon. It's powered by Jupyter Notebooks to create the dynamic visualizations. We begin with the classic thought experiment that's often used to describe exponential growth. If you put grains of rice on a chessboard, how many grains of rice would you need if you doubled the number of grains in successive squares? And the answer is a whole lot. This page helps people to appreciate that and how many people might be infected if someone with COVID passes it on to only 2 other people. The page also has a computer model based on the susceptible infected removed model that's often been used to describe infectious diseases. Here, though, we enable the user to pose important questions in a personal context. If everyone practiced social distancing the way I do, what would be the impact on the community? Similarly, if everyone practiced social distancing the opposite of the way I do, what would be the impact on the community? What are the decisions that an individual should make based on how long the disease might be infectious and passed on to others? Here we can zoom into my neighborhood and see the actual data in my neighborhood and those surrounding neighborhoods. We hover our mouse over the various locations and we get a pop-up menu that shows us the rates in those locations. Then we have vignettes and stories showing strategies taken by various individuals that might impact my own behavior. And finally, after I've read these and had access to the various resources that are described, I can take a pledge and share my own strategy for flattening the curve and see the strategies that have been suggested by others.
Flatten the curve!